Welcome to Sukumar Tutorials. In the previous videos, we have seen the basics of QGIS, how to georeference it, different methods, how to digitize various features, how to create thematic maps, how to make queries, how to make measurements. So most of the basics we have covered in the previous videos. In this video, I am going to teach how to create a layout. Layout is very essential for presentation. Either that is, you can just finished map. Whatever you do in GIS is a temporary maps you are making in the canvas. So that has to be brought to layout. You have to give the layout, you have to give title, scale, north, key, legend, latitude and longitudes. Once you prepare the layout, you can take it to your PowerPoint, or you can print it, or you can send it by email. That is a finished map. You have to use it for various purposes. So now let us see how we can create a layout using QGIS. Now we have prepared a thematic map, that is distribution of households in Tamil Nadu. This we have to bring it to layout, for which you have to go to project, new print layout, you have to click it. You have to give a name. Since I have given layout 1 earlier, so I am just giving layout 2 here, just clicking OK. Once you click, layout menu has come, and then you've got this is your paper size. So I'm just clicking here. Once you click on the white portion, this is your paper size, that is A4 size. You can change it to any size. If you click it, you got a number of options. Since we are going to make a layout in A4 size, just I made it A4 size. Then it can be either landscape or portrait. So I'm using it landscape as it is. So this is how page you have to click this white portion, you will get this option. Then you have to go to add items, click it. There you got a add map. You click the add map. When you bring the cursor, it became plus mark. Use this plus mark, drag it and just finish it. Whatever you see in the canvas, QGIS canvas, has come out in this print layout. The distribution of households have come. Now this is correct scale. Suppose you want to make a round, you can just make the adjustments in the scale. Say for example, that is a 2,757,444. This is a scale. So you can just make it a round number. So what I do, just I make it instead of fraction, make it 5 zeros. See, when I make 5 zeros, this is a slight expansion, it covers the entire area. Suppose you want to make it smaller, just bring it to 30. That is a 3 million size. We click it, so it has become small. So this way you can just make it smaller and bigger. It has become a scale. RF has become round, that is a 3 million scale. Then you go to item, again you go to add item, then add label. Just click it and make a box, drag it. You got the space for typing title. So the right side you have to remove this, and then you have to type title Tamil Nadu, or I can just keep it in capital letters. Tamil Nadu distribution of households 2021. Now you have to choose your size. Go to click font, make it bold, and just click it 16 size. Just your title has come here, that you have to center it. So your title has come. Tamil Nadu distribution of households 2021 has come. Now you have to add, again you go to add item, add north arrow, just on the right side, make a small square and then click it, your north arrow has come. So different patterns are there, just simply I am putting this simple method, north arrow key has come, so that is indicating the northern side of the map, direction of the map. Then you go to add map once again, add scale, click it, once again you press the left button, just bring it, make a box, you got a scale, center it. So you add a title, added your scale, north arrow has come, only thing you have to add the legend. So you go to add item, add legend. So appropriate place you have to choose it. So I am choosing here, I am making a square here, making a box. Your legend has come here. So you have to remove the auto update here, then you have to edit. So I'm just whichever you want to add, you can add it. So now I don't want this particular line, I'm just removing it. So now Tamil Nadu taluks are there, I'm double clicking. Title I have to, instead of Tamil Nadu taluks, I have to give number of households. Number of households. So again go back to the arrow key. So you can see it has come the title. The legend indicates number of households, distribution, and then you have to add title for the legend. References. Instead of legend I am giving references. So references I have given. So the references also I have to make it slightly bigger. I have to go to font, click the font title. I have to make it 18, bold, save OK. So the title references has come here, that instead of left you have to center it, adjust it, so it is adjusted. Now your references has been added. So this you can just drag it anywhere. Suppose you want here, you can drag it. If you want here, you can just add it. Now I have given legend also. Now I have to give a frame. So I click it here. When you come down, there is frame. You click this frame. Once you click a frame, you can see the frame has been added around this map. So in this frame I have to give the latitude and longitude. So go here, click the grid. The grid, there is a plus mark. You click the plus mark. Grid 1 has come. Highlight it. Right click it. Highlight it. Modify grid. You click it. You got solid cross markers. frame annotations only. So you just make frame annotations I have given. Just everything I am leaving it here. In the X interval I am giving 1. Here also, Y also, longitude also, and giving latitude also, I'm giving 1, and then just coming down, and then adding draw coordinates. I'm giving a tick mark here. So once I give here, you can see the latitude and longitude has come, but it is going outside my frame. So for which what I should do, I have to see it is given in decimal degrees. So I have to top left, it is outside, make it inside the frame. See, left side, earlier it was outside, it has come inside. So similarly here also right side, it is in the outside, make it inside. So it has come inside. Then again top also I have to bring it inside. Bottom also I have to bring it inside. So everywhere I have given latitude, longitude. If you want, options are there. If you want degrees, minutes, or if you want degrees, minutes and seconds, you can just give. So now I am giving you only simply decimal degree. That is a normal practice. Then I have to see interior ticks I have to give. See, once I give a ticks, you can see the ticks has come. Earlier, see, I am just giving no ticks, no nothing. Now, if you want to give zebra, that is alternate black and white, you can give. So now I have given interior, tick mark as given. For that I have given latitude, longitude. So your map is ready. This is layout. So all the features are there. This you can print it straight away, or you can just take a copy JPEG and then put it in your report or PowerPoint. Now I am going to export this. Go to layout, export as image. So I am giving household. I am giving a name, household 2. Save. So it is giving resolution 300 dots per inch DPI. I am saving it as a JPEG. This one way of saving the image. Another way is to export it as PDF. Again, I am giving name households 2. I am saving it. So just I am giving, it is save. So if you want to see the map what you have done, just minimize your QGIS, go to the folder, see households 2. See, this is the way you have to finish map, you have to bring it out. See this map, you can just take it to your PowerPoint, or you can straight away print it or export it to your send it by email, or you can use it for other purposes. This is how you have to prepare a layout. So layout is very important. Whatever the exercise you are doing, finally you have to make it. So here you have to see the space availability. If you want to have an insert map, you can just give an insert map where you can show the location of Tamil Nadu, India, All these things you can give. Since space is there, you can give. If you want to add this space, some pictures, that also you can give. This is how you have to make a layout. Hope this is very interesting for you. If it is interesting, please press the bell, subscribe it, share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, you can comment and then use it for practicing. This will be very useful for your research purpose and report writing. Thank you so much.